This video outlines how to customize your purchase order workflow. If you process a purchase order in the CMMS, you'll notice each purchase order passes through several statuses until it's completed. A purchase order status marks the purchase order's position in its workflow. The next status options are displayed in the top nav bar of the purchase order. The system ships with some default statuses, but it's possible to customize your workflow by creating your own. Let's say that we want to add another status called Order Partially Fulfilled. Navigate to Settings, CMMS Settings, and Lookup Tables. Scroll down to the Purchase Order section. You'll notice the currently available statuses here. Click Add to create a new status. Give this status a name, in this case, Order Partially Fulfilled. The control best suited to this status is Sent. Next, you need to set the statuses that follow Order Partially Fulfilled. If a PO is partially fulfilled when the rest of the items are delivered, then the PO will be considered closed, so any of the closed statuses could come next. You can decide if a comment is required before moving it to the next status. You can also decide if an email notification should be sent to listed users when the purchase order moves into that status. Before we can put this new purchase order status to use, we need to go into previous states and make Order Partially Fulfilled an option going forward in the workflow. In this case, the obvious status is On Order. Click to open. You'll notice Order Partially Fulfilled is available, but not yet an option. Click the checkboxes to add, and click OK. If there were more statuses that flow into Order Partially Fulfilled, you would repeat this process and configure them before leaving this window. But for now, let's see what this looks like in action. I'll open up an existing purchase order in the approved state. The options are listed. Let's move this to On Order. Click Send to Supplier. When we do, you'll notice the next available status is for the PO. It can be pushed to any of the closed statuses, or it can wait as Order Partially Fulfilled until the remaining items are delivered. And that is it. Your purchase order workflow can be as simple or as complex as you like. Try it out for yourself.